Why dogs smell our private parties? Awesome. How embarrassing. It has probably happened to you that a dog sticks to you smelling there as if you were hiding a plate of food in your underwear. But more embarrassing would be if it is your dog doing the prank to a friend or family member. Why do dogs smell our private parts? Already leave you to Avergansart. Do you know why dogs do this? First of all, you have to understand why dogs smell the butt between themselves. According to the Portal Dog Institute, these animals know the world through the nose, so, to smell the back of another dog or person, is the way to know who it is, where it has been and other information that is relevant to them. Among the sniffing things is all the information about the dog's sex, stress levels, hormone levels and even the temperament, relaxed or aggressive, of the other dog. So do humans. They also add that dogs have such advanced senses of smell that they not only perceive odors, but also interpret and obtain relevant information from them. That's why they advise that, if your dog takes this seriously to smother other people to the point that it is already annoying, you must teach them that there are limits. What you can do is always bring it on a leash, just like when you expect guests at home. When you meet people, always make them sit and stand still until you tell them and just approach your guests